Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This one we will be doing just showing you how to do an American accent. You want to project your voice as always when doing different accents, so it is very clear to the audience what accent you are doing. So without further ado, I will now do my next accent. Okay.
Hello? Yes? Ma'am, I'm from California. I'm just stopping by. I heard there's a festival here. Gee, I'm from Wisconsin, and I hear you California folks, yous do good festivals, as long as good as jam tarts. And yous do good stuff.
And that's that one. That's an American accent. So that's all I wanted to show here today. And as always, please like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.
Turn off there.
Scene.